I didn't know you, but it just felt right. Oh, when I saw you, baby, slow down time. I wasn't looking for love, and then you came in. You're everything I could wish for in a daydream. Oh, I'll do anything to make you smile again and again. Into the water, floating away. I've been trying to reach you, fighting the waves. Whatever I do it for you. Through all of the heartaches and all of the pain, I'm going a distance to see you again. Whatever I do it for you.
Thank you. Welcome to Samsung Sound Sessions, guys. Palakpakan naman natin yung Samsung. Let's go. Meron silang product dito sa tabi ko. And I don't know, sobrang significant niya with how I play my everyday life. Check nyo tong ST50F and yung ST40F. Tingnan nyo naman. May ganito po. Bam. Pwede, di ba? Sobrang ganda ng vibe na to, especially for an environment like this. This is just perfect timing. This thing has a karaoke mode. Siyempre, Filipinos love their karaoke. It has some like lights to it as well. So this next song, this is one of the songs that changed my life. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is a different version of Habang Buhay.
Tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba. Tanong ibang nakagawa sa'kin ng ganito. Di ka nag-iisang Diyosa ng buhay ko. Pag may ka, para bang may iba. Pag tumitingin sa'kin, mapupungol mong mga mata. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba. Nandito ako hanggang sa ating pagtanaw. Mahalin kita basta pag naulo. Mahawak ako, huwag ka nang bibitaw.
Hope you guys enjoyed the session, Samsung Sound Session. Thank you so much for having us again. Yeah, there's a lot of party vibes kasi when it comes to the speaker. Ito, katabi ko na party to. Lights pa lang, pasado na. Tsaka cool din siya kasi, both sila may mic. So pwede rin siya pong busking. It's really cool kasi you can plug in your guitar. Tsaka, meron siyang 16 hours battery life. Lax. Merong app yung Samsung. Kailangan yung app na yon para ma-connect nyo yung speakers. O, di ba? May app. Tapos, pag nandun na yung forever ninyo, pwede nyo silang pa-party-partyin. Yeah! Thank you again to Samsung for having us. This one's called Give Me Your Forever. I hope you guys enjoy. Please sing along if you know the words.